What's up everyone, it's Brandon Sav and I am back with another video. It's been a long time, but please understand I've been working hard. First things first, I want to address everyone that's been buying my pack. I appreciate you guys. I'm definitely working on another one. This one's going to be a lot different with a lot of files that I've made myself. So guys, keep supporting. I appreciate everything. I see all the comments, I see all the likes. I try to give as much feedback back as possible, answer all my comments and all my messages. So please continue to show love throughout the channel. So if you guys are new, my channel is basically predicated on design and freelance work. I like to talk about and teach people how to do things my way, my style. So make sure you guys check out my channel, and if you like what you see, definitely subscribe. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen over the last month I've been posting a lot of work that I've been working on, a lot of which have been with certain clients. One of my clients now is Quincy. I'm actually designing for him on a regular basis, which is good. I'm actually gonna make another design tip video based on this because a lot of my views have changed on this, and I know a lot of you guys are starting to design for other clients. So I'm gonna give you guys little tips on things to do, what to do and what not to do. So I just want to catch you guys up on that. And yeah, here we go. So a lot of the designs that I've been doing, as you can see, have been predicated on collages and like paper rips and stuff like that. So a lot of people notice that I've been using tape, and they ask me, how do I get the tape? How do I get this look? So here we go. I'm actually going to tell you now. So as one of the thank yous, I'm actually going to include this same exact file in the download. Well, actually on my site. You guys can follow along, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right. So yeah, so when you guys have it, it'll look like this. So depending on which tape you want to use, you'll just copy, edit, copy, or this is the easier one, just edit, copy the whole thing and paste it onto whatever you're doing. I'm actually going to bring this layer to the top, right? And then let's turn the opacity down so we see what we're doing. So essentially I want to get the tape around the corners, and we could do around the bottom as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's copy this bottom piece. So let's hit copy, hide it now, and now we're gonna go to edit, paste. Let's now paste it in there. So what I usually do is then mess with the layer effects. Usually, depending on your art, it'll probably be screen, or, well, honestly, there's no rules. Like I always say, there's no rules to design. So whatever you like. I usually put mine on screen or lighten, but it really depends on the color of like the canvas. So usually screen works, but I usually just align it right, and then sometimes if you duplicate it and maybe like turn the opacity down, it gives it a more realistic tape look, if that makes sense. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Honestly, you just have to try a few things out. So now that I have that tape lined up, I really like the placement of it. I'm actually going to do the same method again, but with the other piece. Then we're gonna hit paste. So this is actually gonna be really simple once you have the pieces of tape. All right, so as I'm doing this, I want to ask a question for you guys. I basically want to know, do you guys prefer paying for, let's say this file here, this tape, do you guys prefer paying for it with the chances of more people having it and like your work looking the same, all right, having this tape, having it for free, and having the chance of more people actually having it and your work looking the same or paying for it, and the opposite, like you'll know that you'll get something exclusive to work with, like, you know what I mean? Because like as a designer, like all of your files and your textures are what makes you money, and what like makes you. So if a lot of people have the same thing as you, do you feel as though that can like hinder your work or like make it less exclusive? Leave your answer down in the comments. I really want to know. This has nothing to do with my channel or anything else like that. I'm just curious to know like how you guys feel, because as a designer, I do feel that your fonts and everything else that you own, as far as like in your collection that you've collected, because everyone's collection is different, but it takes time. Like I've been designing since like 2010, so like I've had the chance to accumulate all of these things. Yeah, they are available on Google, but it'll take you years, like it took me to collect this. So I mean, me offering you my files that I've created, and in addition to what I've already like collected over the years for free, I feel like that's an advantage. So let me know in the comment section below how you guys feel. I actually had one of my subscribers, or visionary, he wasn't a visionary, but he definitely wasn't a visionary, but I had someone comment with their opinion on it, and I totally didn't agree. But I want to know what you guys feel. I want to know like what majority feels. Please leave it positive as possible. I don't want to deal with the negativity, but let's get back to it. So as you can see, I've actually been aligning it. It looks pretty good. Sometimes if you duplicate it, it does give a better look. In this case I have to change it. So it was on lighten, so if I put it on screen and then duplicate it, that changes it. But you can actually give yourself different looks and align it different. Like what I usually do with this is have it all over the place, because usually when you tape collages and everything else like that, it's gonna be crazy. So let's get back to that. So don't forget to comment your opinion below while we work on this. This is very simple. Anybody will be able to figure this out. So I want to know your opinions on this. I definitely do, and I appreciate you guys for subscribing to the channel. Make sure you guys follow. I'll probably end up doing yeah, I'm actually gonna start doing that. So follow my Instagram. I'm actually gonna start randomly putting files on there for like maybe 2 hours or 3 hours for free. I'll end up doing it for free, but I still want to hear your opinion. Like, would you rather have a lot of people have your files, or you pay you pay for files and you know that you're getting exclusivity? Let me know. But I'll also do special giveaways and special like file giveaways where if you follow me on Instagram, I'll like pick random followers and give you guys links to things and stuff like that. So make sure you guys follow my channel. I'm actually trying to build up to 10K. Like, I think I could definitely do it. I think I should have 10K by now, but that's besides the point. Anyways, so yeah, this is the first video back. I'm actually working on another one, thinking of another one now. But yeah, just you can add the tape any way you want. I'm just going crazy with it, to be honest. There's no like literally no rules. Like when you're taping something, like it could be anywhere, but the straight tape, I know it looks way better. So I usually just keep adding the tape on there. This tape is gonna be available on the site now for free. Guys, don't forget to comment your opinions on the question. I'll also leave the question down in the description. I want to know your thoughts on it. I want to know how you guys feel as designers, or as anyone that just works on Photoshop in general, or anything. It doesn't even have to be a Photoshop, anything. Do you like having exclusivity for knowing that you paid for something, or you don't mind getting it for free and everyone having it? So I'm actually satisfied with what I just did. So yeah, make sure you guys check the link in my description. Also answer the question if you can. That's another video with B Savage, B Sav, Brandon Sav. Yeah, 13,000 subscribers, and we're still pushing. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Follow my Instagram, and make sure you guys comment, tag me and things. I want to see what you guys are working on. Once again, I'm out. Brandon Sav checking out.